Today we will start with creating vector layer using already geopositioned or geo-rectified satellite image. So directly we'll start with the opening with the QGIS. So already opened with the QGIS here. Open new project, and it is already open with a new project. And there is two options for adding the raster layer. One is raster layer, add raster layer, and directly select here, go to already rectified image. This is modified 3. You can add here, or you can simply drag from here and you can add. So both you can do it. And now creating the vector layer. So go to layer, create layer, and one more point here I mentioned. So this image is rectified, because this is a geographical coordinate system. This values you are seeing 1833 degrees Celsius. Now I will change this as one is good option for the QGIS is that you can change the projection system in simply here WC84 UTM zone 44N and apply. Okay, so now it is in UTM system. So you can see here, you can see the positive values. Now I'll create the values in UTM in vector file so that it can directly calculate the length and areas in meters or kilometers. Go to layer and create layer, shapefile. So I'm first creating the I'll first go to folder and just training and just create new folder, vector files. So I'm shaping, so I'm saving as a shapefile. First boundary, save, and boundary means it is geometric type is area basis, so we'll go with the polygon. Generally for polygon area basis we'll go polygon, and length basis line. Just information go to point, or no geometry means like that, will go depending on requirement. So additional dimensions which are going to go directly will go with the projection information. You can change, already it is projected information is there, so directly you can select it in zone 44N. Why we are choosing 44N? Because our area Vijayanagaram area is covered with the 44, and you can choose any depending on the locations. You can choose the zones. Suppose if it is Hyderabad area, then it may go to 43 up to Vijayawada, I think so. You can go with the 43. Okay, and I can add here name, which field is required. Name is a type is text, because it is I can store in the all in the text format, so I'll store as a text. Length of the characters I will fix it as a 50. Add field, and for that I will calculate area also. So area is type of a decimal type. I'll add. So precision I'll just fix it to add, and unit for that I'll add units. This is text, not required 20. I'll add just 10. Add field. This is a vector file. I'm just creating add. Like it, I can create many files. First we'll start with the boundary. Just boundary select it and create, right click and open toggle editing. Okay, so then it will be activated, like this tool will be activated. So there here is the add polygon. Before that you can zoom to fixed zoom, zoom to layer. Okay, so that it can see how much area is covered. And start with here, toggle, add polygon, we select click, one more point here, click, one more point here, and just closing here, just click here, and afterwards you just right click, so that automatically it will close, not required to just double enter or nothing, just right click. So you can just ID number 1 and name, this is Pedacheru. Okay, area and units I will calculate later. So okay, I'm just created. Now this is created. Now I have to change these properties of the layer, so we'll go to properties. Here symbology is there. You can change color directly, you can change the different colors or something can add. So this color is changed. Okay, apply, you can see that change. Okay, so just simply you can mix it so that you can see directly. And now I just want empty layer, so I'll just change the color type. So this I'll change color, what is fill, so I don't want color any fill, just simply here solid fill type, no brush, actually no color is not required, just filling. Stroke color is black. Okay, solid line, it is there, so this is, you can change if it is any dash line, dot line is like that, you can change. You can increase the size 1, so automatically you can see here dark, and color also you can change here if you want, just adding and apply. So this is your powder. Now I have added already, change the properties of line and boundaries. I'll just add labeling also. Go to properties, label, so just add label, single labels, so it will mention asking which label you type in. So there are 3 options there, name, apply. Okay, so it is there, and we have to change the color of the text. So this is color, change the color to the red color, it's combination. So there it is there. It is like normally you can give underscore solid strike, as you wish. Like a style, some symbol, font type, different font styles are there. You can add font styles and apply. Okay, so this is there, underscore it is there. Now I want to calculate for this area, so I'll go open once again, open here, open attribute table here. Now I have to calculate the area, so just select this, or not required even also, you can here field, open field calculator is there, just open it. Now go to here geometry is there, you can select it. There are different options, like many options are there, area search, dollar area, azimuthing, boundary, and length, perimeters, many options are there, you can see. So this is perimeter, directly can calculate it, and length also you can calculate, like all different features of geometry you can calculate here. So that is the advantage So length here directly, which when mentioning is a dollar, then don't require any parameters calculation. So I'm just like an example showing show area. I will divide this area into 1000 because it is meter. I just want to square kilometer. So once again 1000. Just close the bracket and directly you can see preview 1.31 square kilometer. Okay, similarly you can measure perimeter, length, as you wish, what you want you can read. So where I have to, whether you want to create a new field, no, already this field is there, just update here, go to update, which field it is, so just say here, apply. Okay, got it. I will mention it is square kilometer. Okay, so directly I got values and I can save edits. So let's do again. Now close. Afterwards you just go to here, save layer edits, automatically saves. So you can see all information. Okay, like that we can create length and areas for different features. Now I will show another layer like road feature. We will start so simply for creating layer, shape layer, road. In Java to type it is line stripe. Projection system is within June 44. I'll add here name, road name, text 50, add field, length, decimal, 2, add field, units, text 10, add field. So it is asking as already existing, so we'll just once check it which folder it is. I think my folder is changed. I think you just go to here, vector file, we'll save here and here, save. Okay, so road feature is started. You can change the properties, symbology, color, blue color, okay, and width you can change 1. Default some are already there, you can change. So patterns, effects, so if it is railway network you can select this, if it is main road you can select main road. Okay, depending on you can select it. So dimension, main road, apply. Okay, so we'll start here. This is main road. So actually I'll list it as a central road because this is divided. I can treat as a center of the road. Can use. So from here I'll start. Okay, so here mentioned already this layer is not editable. So just right click, toggle editing. Okay, now it is edit layer. You can see layer and edit. So start here. You can simply displace it on the center of the road. generally we have to distress on the center of the road so that it can be mentioned. If not, you just road edges also you can distress. There is no issue in that. Because Y center probably means we can directly measure the length of the road. So if you choose two lines, then it will be measures as a two lengths. So we cannot choose two options. So just adding with the normal accuracy. See, I'm just zooming and distancing because road is normal looking, so I'm just directly distancing. If it is in curvature, you have to do the curvature effects. Just ending here, just click, right click. This is road number 1 road. So this is main road, or you can give Pecharu road or Balaji road. Okay, just give it. So you can see road feature, how it looks good. So that you can create all features of the roads for the any area. Simply. So while starting from because now I'm just connecting to here or something. So here I can just start here once again. So my portion is ending here, so I can just double click, right click. Okay, this is ID number 2, already we have 1. This is also main road. Like that, you can create other roads also. I'm just showing the example. This is minor road, or you can write that's a road. Okay, this is ring road. I'm just giving example of it. So up to some level you can update. Displays simply like previously. So displays all features up to or text and as there. And go to here or open attribute table. So calculate the geometry. Build calculator. So geometry. So I'll measure as a length division by 1000 because I want in kilometer, where I update in existing field length. So already showing. Okay, so this is kilometer. So now here I just save layer, edit, set. You can label here also, open properties, label, single row. I'll change color, row. Okay, size 10. Okay, let's give some bold style. Okay, outline. Okay, so you can see that road names in blue color. Now I can add like similarly point feature also. There is no issue in that, understand feature thing. So like this we can create the different layers with the vector files. We can create water bodies, buildings, trees, railway lines. Similarly you can create different layers. So in the next video we'll see how to lay out this all features in QGIS.